Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite smoothie recipe. So, let's get started. So, the first thing I'm going to tell you is the things that you will need. You will need frozen bananas, frozen raspberries, frozen blueberries, frozen peaches, and frozen strawberries. You also need juice. Sorry, my fridge is messy. Then just put all of those in the blender and blend them up. And this clip ended up terrible. Like, oh my gosh, you can see I'm like, and it pours in and it's just not good. It was a big mess and it splattered a lot. So yeah. But other than that, this smoothie is really thick, and that's what I really look for in a smoothie. I feel like the thicker, the better, just because thickness is better, I guess. So yeah, then I just evened them out, and I'm going to cut the clip right here. This is what the smoothie will look like whenever it is all the way done. It is delicious. It's definitely my all-time favorite smoothie recipe. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos like this.